Okay, for no reason at all, I'm gonna do a little tour of my toolboxes. Here's my main box. Here's another box, and got this cabinet over here that I keep some stuff in. So up here I have a little custom shelf that I made. I've got my little bins of miscellaneous bolts and nuts and pieces and stuff. There's my stereo system there. Got some cans of stuff and some random stuff in this thing here. Got my various chargers and my paperwork, stuff like that. Now my top drawer here, all my sockets. Any kind of socket you can imagine, I own it. Chrome, deep, short, impact, 6-point, 12-point, quarter-inch, 3/8, half-inch, swivels, torques, inverted torques, everything and anything. O2 sensor sockets, hex sockets, long torque sockets. I've got long hex sockets, triple squares, long triple squares in that other blue box. Got a junk drawer here, mostly bulbs, some zip ties, some nuts and bolts, some plastic clips, all my wiring stuff's in there. Got some clamps and some washers and different stuff like that. Another junk drawer, just exhaust hangers, some fittings, sandpaper, some hose, different shit like that. Got some drill bits and some drivers for my electric screwdriver. A couple other random pieces there. Down here we got my batteries. Newest tool, that's a 1/2-inch drive cordless drill. Uses a 20-volt battery that my 1/2-inch electric impact gun uses. I got some tubes of silicone, different type shit down there. This here is all my ratchets, extensions of various sizes, impact, wobbles, locking extensions, got universal joints of all different sizes there. Got wrenches here, standard, metric, stubby, line wrenches, metric and standard, some long metric double end wrenches there, O2 sensor wrench. Got some more wrenches down here, these offset guys, ratcheting on a spline drive, various universal type wrenches for different stuff. That's for popping the axles out of transmissions. I got ratcheting, lock, swivel head wrenches there. Got some interior trim tools, little hose clamp tool there, strap wrench, hacksaw, and some various pliers that I don't know that I use all the time. This is the main plier drawer. These are the pliers that I use most often here. That big monstrosity down in the middle there is for alignments and different things. All your white strips and different types of pliers there. Some snap ring pliers. Here we got some different stuff in some cases, screws, serpentine tools, feet, thread files and chasers and stuff, and serpentine belt tools, stud removers. A little refrigerant leak detector, timing light, battery carrier. It's a drum gauge, chronometer in there, snap ring pliers, different stuff.
Oh, that shit is stolen!
And then I got some handheld stuff here, screwdrivers, scrapers, different random screwdrivers, torque screwdrivers, little mini screwdrivers, mirrors, Allen keys, files, some more files there, some torque screwdrivers there. Up top in there, some oil filter cups of various sizes. Rear caliper tool, got a big underhood light for different stuff, air chisel bits, brake pad depressors. I got long screwdrivers over here, pry bars. There's a giant extension right here. It's about 5 feet long or so. Big ass pry bar in there. Disconnect tools and tap and die set. Flaring tools. Different punches. Brass punches back there. Puller set. Oil pressure gauge. Some line clamps. Pocket screwdrivers. Inner tie rod tool. Pilot bearing puller. 3/8 drive torque wrench. Cylinder leak down tester. Stethoscopes. A torque angle meter. Down here is mostly brake tools and some random shit. There's some battery tools. I got some couple hammers down in there, CV joint or CV boot pliers and clamp pliers, tubing benders, and then the brake. All the brakes tools are over here. Different silencers for the rotor machine, measurers, and other brake spring tools there. Got some more cases of stuff, power steering pump, pulley puller, vacuum gauge, harmonic balancer tool, scrapers. It's for Honda harmonic balancers, a Pitman arm puller, wheel lock removers, tie rod adjusters, infrared thermometer, master cooling system pressure tester with all the adapters. Down here, got my scan tool, Alltel scan tool, a couple more socket sets here. This is mainly my electronic testing drawer. Multimeter, different code readers, stuff like that, test leads. Pretty sweet borescope. Send that down into a hole and look at the inside of an engine. A little power probe that's absolutely necessary for electronic testing. Short and open detector for wiring. And then over in the cabinet is a bunch of stuff that I don't really use on a daily basis. Combustion leak detector, air lift for filling cooling systems. I've got wheel bearing lock nut sockets, bearing race tools, vacuum pump, my ball joint sets in there, slide hammers in there. Well over 20 grand worth of shit. Well over. And a little jump box that's finally finished charging after a couple of days. And various spill-free funnels for all different kinds of makes and models. I can put that in the oil cap and just be able to dump oil in there without spilling any. It's a good thing. So there's my tools. There you go. And the guy in the background, that's a co-worker. He's a jerk-off.